Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kim for Tres Jolie Kit Club, and if you don't know, Tres Jolie is a monthly kit club. We bring you 3 kits: a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And what I have for you today is the February video reveal of our kits. Our kits can also be found on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And before we get any further in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell and set it to all. Then that way you will be notified every time we upload a video. And we do videos a couple of times a week for the general public, and we do have private videos for our subscribers or anyone that buys one of our kits that has a video to go along with it. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the kits, because we all know that's why you're here. Up we have the scrapbook kit, and our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That does include your shipping, and like I said, it can be found on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And what we like to do with our kits are we give you the kits and we give you the inspiration. We don't give you step-by-step instructions, but we do have a lot of fun creating inspiration for you. And first up, we have some chipboard, and if you don't know, we cut our own chipboard in-house. And so we've got a set of keys for you to go with this month's kit. We also have this fun frame that we cut as well too. And you're also going to get a pack of flowers, 12 pieces. These are Prima flowers. And then you're going to get these fun leaves. That's what they are. They're so pretty. And then you're also going to get a pack of the Dresden trim in gold. So it kind of gives you an idea of the colors in the kit. And next up, you're going to get some ephemera. Before I go to the ephemera, our papers and ephemera are from 3/4 Designs. This is their newly released, like just released January 26th, I think it was, Petal Serenade. So you may be one of the first few people to get it. And we've got some laser cut ephemera here. All you have to do is just punch it out. And if you don't like the white edges, you can always go ahead and ink those. But you've got 2 sheets. You've got this one sheet of some fun vintage pieces. And then you've got the second sheet of some more fun vintage sheets. And along with those, you're also going to get some more ephemera for fussy cutting. I know some people love fussy cutting. They said it relaxes them. I hate fussy cutting, but at least these pieces are big enough, so it's not little small and tedious. These are one-sided, but look at all these fun pieces you get here to use to layer on your layouts. You can use these if you want to make cards with them. We've also got some floral pieces here, and what I like about the flowers that they give you here, you see you've got the same flower multiple times, but they're in different sizes. All you do is take some foam tape like this one and this one, and you can pop it up and you can make some dimensional flowers. You've got some matching leaves, and then you've got some cute little sayings. And then you have these sheets, and these are for layering, or you could use these for card toppers, but these are also single-sided. So you got that one, you've got this one, and these are fun because of course they coordinate perfectly with the papers in the kit. And here's your last sheet. So now let's go ahead and get into the papers. You're going to get 10 full sheets. That's right, 10. Technically, you're going to get 12 sheets, but you're going to get 10 sheets. And then the covers have pre-printed pieces on them too, so you can cut these out and use these for more ephemera for your layout. But let's get into these papers. And these papers are double-sided. They're absolutely beautiful. And like I said, this is a brand new kit. And I like the fact that they give you a strip that you can cut off. Some have sayings on them. But like I was saying, this is a brand new collection from 3/4 Designs. And we try our best now to have some fun international papers as long as we can get them. we will be continuing to use this. But here we go. Memory is a way of holding on to things you love, the things you are, the things you never want to lose. How nice is that? And look at this paper. It's so fun and vintagey. Just beautiful. And if you don't like the full graphic side, then you can always use the back side. Now, how adorable is this? All you need to do is just pop a photo down in here, cut this off, add it on the side, and you are done. Some more. Wherever a beautiful soul has been, there's a trail of beautiful memories. Ooh, I love this sheet. I love that sheet so much. Here we go. True love is selfless. It is what we want to give, not what we want to get. Just absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is the other back side of the sheet. So you have these on this side. But before you cut this up, if I were you, I would either take a photo of this or scan this, because they give you sketches on how to use the paper. And maybe for one of our videos, we'll take one of these layouts here and we'll recreate it and give it our own little spin. But these are the papers in the scrapbook kit and all the coordinating embellishments. And like I said, this can be found on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. I think these kits are limited, so you may want to head over there and grab you one now. And to avoid missing out on any of our kits, you can just always go ahead and subscribe. You can subscribe to one kit, all 3 kits, or any combination. All the information is on the website. Next up, we have our cards, tags, and more kit. Retails for $42. Yes, that includes your shipping. And this kit is all about the smaller projects, even though our paper is a little bigger this month. But it's all about the small projects. We have fun with this kit. You can get something for cards, you can get something for tags, or you can get something for more like mini albums, junk journals, all those fun things. So let's go ahead and get into this. We've got our flowers. And then we've got some wonderful little butterflies. And then if you like making the slimline cards, or even if you want to make like a slimline album, you've got these pockets that we're including. They're adhesive pockets. They're clear, and you can slide stuff in those. Those are nice and fun to use. Of course, we've got some doilies. We've got some lace. We've got some intricate die cuts here. So you're going to get 2 different sets. You're a set of white and a set of black on these. And then you're going to get another set of leaves. And these will be so pretty tucked in behind those flowers. You're going to get another set in white and black. But those are going to come in it. And then you're going to get some fun little, you can use these as card toppers in the blues. And then you've also got some blue sheets. And I already started scoring mine for cards. Just a little score down the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but you've got white. And you've got some light blue. And then you've got like this aqua bluish or ocean blue, and then you just got another sheet of blue cardstock. I don't put a lot of cardstock in the cards kits because card makers really love specific cardstock, and so. But let's get into the papers now that you've got here. You're getting full 12 by 12 sheets, so you can make whatever you want with these. But these blues are so absolutely gorgeous. How fun are these going to be for cards? Just stunning. Make you some slimline cards. You can use your pockets. But so cute. And the fun thing about those pockets for slimlines, say you want to make a slimline birthday card and you want to add some money to it, you can add that to the inside of your card, and then you can slide the money right into it. But yes, you are getting all of these papers. Just super gorgeous papers. And this is a new release also from Craft Consortium. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And also, if you get this kit, you will get an email from me with a downloadable that you can print out. And what you'll be printing out are a full sheet of matching butterflies to go with this kit. And like I said, it's just absolutely beautiful paper. But this is our cards, tag, and more kit. And like I said, it retails for $47. And you can find it, $42. And you can find it on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And next up, we are going to have our mixed media kit. Be right back. Alrighty, now our mixed media kit, it retails for $47. And our mixed media kit is a little bit different. It is a standalone kit. You don't need to have any of the other kits for this to work. What we like to do is introduce you to different mediums and give you smaller sizes so you can try them out. And then that way they don't go bad and you can see what you like and then go back and get the bigger ones. So we've got a little project, plus we've got some mediums. And let's start with the mediums. First up, we've got some Perfect Pigments from Paint Couture in a pink sapphire is what this is. It's a nice pretty pink. And then we've got some gold, well, they're calling this citrus, so it's like a yellow gold gilding flakes. If you've never used gilding flakes before, these are so much fun to use. They're a little messy, but they are a lot of fun to use. And these are from Lisa Horton. And then next up, we've got some white flexible paint. This stuff is brand new and it's so much fun to use. It's like a modeling paste, except once it dries, it's flexible. I've got a little piece. I was playing with it initially, and let me show you. I did this in a mold, and I'm still working on it. We'll do a video on it to show you, but this was in a mold. I put this in a mold, and this has been out for days, and you see it's still very flexible, and it's 100% dry. So this, once it's air dried, it's really flexible. It's a, like I said, it's like the texture of modeling paste. So we will have a video on this and some ways that you can use this, because you can use it just like modeling paste. You can use it on a stencil, through a stencil. If you have the right mold, you can use this. And we'll talk about some other ways, but lots of fun. And for our project, we're going to start with, we got you a little mini canvas, little 4x6 canvas. Got you a pack of mechanical hearts. These are all metal, and you're going to get the full pack of 10. And then we've got this really pretty double sheet of rice paper, and you guys know how much I love rice paper. And you can use this on your canvas along with your mediums. And the fun thing about this flexible paste too is if you want to color it, you can use the mica and here your pigment to color this just like you can any other medium. So this is what you have in your mixed media kit. And like I said, it can be found on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. While you're over there, also go ahead and sign up for our newsletter. You sign up for our newsletter, you may get a coupon code. So sign up for our newsletter, and trust me, we do not bombard you with newsletters every day. And this kit does retail for $47. So this has been the 3 kits for February for Tres Jolie Kit Club. We've hoped you enjoyed this. And again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you will be notified every time we upload a video and you won't miss out. And if you purchase any of the kits, is that if there's a private video to go along with that particular kit, you will also get the link to that video. So looking forward to seeing you on our next video. You guys take care and happy crafting.